for coming into this channel, Trade Live with Precise Data. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of any trade with your broker before you put in your trades. Okay, with that, we proceed with the live trading session. And also do take note that from this week, the daylight saving time is on. Okay, that means US is coming in 1 hour late. So there's two things I just want to update you. One is we would be delaying our time by 1 hour, and also by this week we are also planning to start 3 sessions. That means, like one in the morning, one in the evening, and one in the night. So we would want to increase the services. At the same time, we also want to go on quality trading. Okay, so we should be starting maybe most likely from Wednesday onwards. Okay, most likely from Wednesday onwards. So we will be starting this 3 sessions. So if you have any questions, so then at least when we take and when we put in the trades, then it would be best for us to come and adjust and revise the manage the trades. Okay, tonight we don't have any much data. I think tonight is factory orders. Okay, and this week is a important week. Okay, please take note that U.S. elections is on. Then then we have a U.S. interest rate announcement, then followed by even the Aussie rate interest. So there's a lot of things to look forward to. Okay, there's a lot of things to look forward to. So do take note on that. Okay. So the next thing is, I think we have some open trades. Okay, we have a shorted dollar cat at 13901, and still this is trade is working. And we have a dollar yen shorted at 15215, and Aussie dollar long at 6590. Okay, this three. And we still, I mean, we did try to buy cable pound at 6150, so 2950. So I think that order was also not filled. So with that, I think we proceed with the live market. Okay, so here okay, we look into gold. Okay, gold first. Okay, gold looks like, okay, this is going to be a bit tricky. In fact, if you look into the gold, looks like this level is a make or break scenario. That means 2730 is a very important level. If this level breaks, then we may see the price moving towards 2710 or lower. But on the other hand, if this level holds, then we may see the price pushing higher towards 2762 or even higher. And also get ourselves prepared for a lot of swings, either side, because of this rate and US election. So we got to be very careful, and also I think it would be best for us not to be a swing trader, rather than be a day trader or intraday trader or a scalper. So as far as this gold is concerned, okay, we see here, okay, looks like we may have seen the low. Okay, like as I always tell you, we need to know the answer for the few factors before we decide. That means basically the trend control, your time control, your trade control. Then of course we need to know the benchmark level and boundary. Okay, all this if we know, then it would be best for us to put in the trade with ease and start trading. Okay, so if you look into this, as far as this trend control is concerned, So this is, of course, this is we can say uh, turning down on the daily, or limited down on the 360, because the 360 is already down, and we expect this price to move lower. Again, this is a make or break scenario. Then if you ask me on the time control, so the time control right now is 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours. This is within the range between 2746 and 2732. Okay, so this is the range, and this is the time control. That means if the 2746 breaks, then we should see the price moving higher. If the 2732 breaks, then we should see the price moving lower. And as far as the trade control is concerned, we use 15 minute. And if you look into the trade control, if you see your 15 minute has already seen the low. So that means we should not see the price going below 36, and we should see the price break high and move towards 50 or 52. Okay, 50 or 52. So finally, like if we are trading this, then I think we should be looking to buy somewhere at 39 and put a stop at 36 below. Okay, so with that, let's see whether the system is giving us the same answer. See, the reason why we need to look into the system is sometimes that is not available in a naked eye, for hours, like just by looking at the chart. Sometimes the system would give you the tips, and you can rely on that. So that is the main reason we always need to look into the system. So your 360 720 is flat. Daily is showing some strength with a strong sell on the daily, and weekly we have two buying forces and one strong selling force. Okay, and monthly is one strong selling and one strong buying. So it's still flat on the monthly. So if you look into previous 360 showing some strength, your daily is showing some strength. Okay, then when we look into the trend map, okay, we are seeing some strength on the 15 minute and 30 minute, even 60 minute. Okay, 120 is also flat, 360 is also flat with the strength, and 720 is 720 and daily is showing some down move. Okay, 720 and this. Okay, finally we go into the dashboard. So when we look into the dashboard, okay, the dashboard is, okay, this is where the gold is. So here, when we look into this, we are seeing that current low, okay, current day low is higher than your previous day, sorry, low, just low by 1 pip by the previous day low, and your current high is lower than your previous day high. Okay, so if you look into the trade, I think we should be trading between 46 or 45 and 36. Okay, 36 should be your level. So what we can do is we can go for a buy at, okay, for those of you who are here, can you tell me whether you can hear my voice very clearly? Can you just chat me, so at least because I'm getting some streaming errors. So can you just chat me and tell me whether you be able to hear me properly? Can you type and chat me, please? So now when we look into this thing, so what we want to do is we just want to be a scalper, and we want to buy at 38 half and close at 44. That means there's only about $6 available on this market. Okay, so what we are going to do is, so with that, I think we want to generate a call. Two seven, about 38 half. Okay, we go and buy, and we put a stop at 35, about 35 pips, and 44 half, 2744 half as a sell. Okay, then this one, the expiry is just we put until 2230. So that means this trade, we are trying to be only about uh, 1 hour. Okay, so this trade we just want to go for a buy at 2738 half with a stop at 2735 and TP at 2744 half. Okay, so as far as the dollar yen is concerned, okay, we are already into the trade. Okay, we are already into the trade, and we should see. Okay, looking at the chart. Okay, this is going to be a make or break scenario. Okay, so if in fact that 60 broke, then it came off again. So, and we are holding a short at 5215. Okay, so if you look into the 2 hour chart, so we are expecting the strength. The most is about 5205, and I think this is started at 20, so this can last for another 45 minutes. Okay, this can last for another 45 minutes. So what we will be doing is, okay, we will try to close the trade at 65. Then we reduce our stop to 5205. Okay, so I suggest you change and revise the stop. Okay, we have a target at 5150. So the one we are raising it to 5165, and this one lower it to 5205. So this one we are good to go on this. Next, we would want to sell again. Okay, sell again. Okay, that would be let's say we look into your 360. So we will try to sell at extension of 5230, which is 5250. Okay, so that one, this is going to be a day trading signal. Okay, we don't have any sell order here, so we will sell dollar yen okay and this one The expiry we put it until 1 a.m. Okay, 1 a.m. and we let this trade work. Okay, I repeat, we want to sell dollar yen at 152 half, stop at 152.80, and TP will try to put it as 15105, and that one we put it until 1 a.m. Okay, 1 a.m. Okay, then let's see all the trades that we have. Okay, we have a pound selling order 131.20. This is not going to get filled because this is the thing. What we can do is we can try to extend this time. Okay, we can try to extend this time. All this timing we change it so at least we can let this order work. Okay, let's clear that the working orders first. Then at least we have a thing we can relax a bit on the. Okay, we have a dollar cat selling and Aussie buying. Okay, so these two we need to do the adjustment. Okay, Aussie we have a TP at 66.40. So let's go. Okay, right now this is up, but we have 66.40 is still valid. So now our stop loss we can afford to raise it to 65.80. Okay, so the only adjustment we need to do for Aussie is because tomorrow, I believe tomorrow we have a Australian rate announcement. Yeah, market is expected to maintain the same data. So what we can do is we can maintain this since they are not expected to cut rate. We can still maintain the trade and we just revise the stop loss. Okay, so here we change our stop loss. Okay, we change our stop loss to 80 and the TP remains. Okay, let it work. Let it work, and this one I think we can work till tomorrow morning, no hurry, because tomorrow is the data. I think we can still afford to work this trade. Okay, the next trade we want to do the adjustment is dollar cat. Okay, dollar cat I think just started to break. So now we need to bring our stop to 30 or 20. Then our TP is 38.70. So TP is 38.70. Okay, so here think we have a stop at 30 and TP at 75. So let's keep the TP at 75. Then I'll reduce our stop loss. Okay, this stop loss we have to reduce it to 20. So then this trade also can continue working. So this we have adjusted the stop loss for the Aussie and the dollar cat and let it work, and we also have revised our stop loss for the dollar yen, and we have increased our TP to 151.65. So let's see whether we need to do any other adjustment. Okay, gold I think we're still good to go on this. Okay, dollar yen we are trying to sell at 5.2 half, and this is expiry as 1 a.m. Okay, and dollar cat we are trying to sell at 39.40. I think we missed it by few pips. So this one I think we can extend the time to 1 o'clock, and Sing dollar, we can extend it until tomorrow. Okay, this is we can extend it until tomorrow. And the Sing dollar selling at 31.95. I think we also raise it to 1 a.m. Okay, dollar cat buying. This one we can extend until tomorrow. Aussie selling also we can extend it until tomorrow. Dollar yen buying also we can do tomorrow, and pound selling also tomorrow, and euro selling is also tomorrow. Okay, so let's adjust all this, so at least you can also do the adjustment. Okay, this is until 1 and 5. Okay, this Sing dollar, I told you the expiry, we are raising it to tomorrow, tomorrow morning until the time opens. So we can put it, I think, comfortably tomorrow until 11. Shouldn't be an issue. So if we need to do any adjustments, then we will do the adjustments on this. Okay, dollar yen is done. Sing dollar selling. Yeah, this is until 1 a.m. tomorrow morning. For those of you who are coming in first time, okay, for coming in first time to our website, okay, do take note that okay, our system, I mean, our trading is all very systematic. So basically, what we do is we'll try to put in an entry, exit, stop loss with the expiry time. So at least you can also key in. Then you can see the orders work even while you are sleeping or while you are not doing other things. And also do take note that this timing is all what we are giving is all SGT time, Singapore time. So wherever you are and what is your platform, your current time base, that should also get the difference, and you put it in the same manner. Okay, dollar cat buying 38.05. I told you this is until tomorrow 11. Expiry date change it to also at 5. And dollar yen is done. Aussie selling. Okay, this is also we can go up to tomorrow because tomorrow the data is out, so we can change it to even after the data, so maybe about 11 or 12 o'clock. Okay, I'm not sure what time is the data. Okay, let me check. Okay, 11:30. So tomorrow 11:30 is the data out, so we'll try to put it as 12 o'clock. Okay, then of course we can do the adjustment tomorrow morning. Then we have dollar yen buying. This one, I think we can also raise it to tomorrow until 7 or 8. Okay, pound selling also we can go it until tomorrow. Okay, this two also can be until tomorrow. So basically, I just want to tell you that this the expiry, it all depends on the price action, and our main focus is usually the time, your expiry time. And time is one of the key I wouldn't say one. I would say this is the major key factor you need to take note in your movement. Okay. So here, okay, I think I've done all the adjustments. For those of you who want to take a screenshot, you can just take a screenshot and key in this orders. Okay, basically, one more thing I just want to tell you is, okay, we have already seen the dollar weakness coming into play. Okay, the main thing we need to understand is the dollar weakness is already coming into play, and also the main problem and main issue here is, okay, this week we have the US interest rate announcement followed by the US election. Okay, so these are the two main factors that is going to impact on the currencies for this week. So you got to be very careful, and we got to be very very nimble and do it very fast. Once you take a trade and once you have realized a profit, then we keep going. Then we don't have to wait for the next movement. Okay, so I think more or less we have done this. Today, like as I said, today is going to be a bit quiet session because there's no data out, and today is also the first trading day of the daylight saving started. So we may see the market being a bit quiet and choppy. So any questions or anything you want to discuss? Okay, so with that, I think I just want to conclude today's session. And for those of you who came in late, okay, I just want to emphasize that this week onwards, we are planning for three sessions. Okay, we are planning for three sessions: one for Asian, one for Europe, and one for US sessions. So we'll be taking more trades and more discussion, and slowly, if you feel that, okay, this is any markets you are interested in discussing, you may do so, and we can also share our ideas and our knowledge. So our main thing, of course, our system is, we have a system, whereby the system gives us as the trigger, to go for a buy or sell. Then we key in the orders, then we'll let it work and we manage the trade, and that's how we do it. Okay, then overall I think we should be doing minimum between, I would say, between 8 to 15% per month consistently. So if you are really focused and if you really follow, then I think you should be able to do that or more. So that again, it depends on the market conditions and the market movement. Okay. So with that, I think I just want to end this session, and looking to forward to see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow is, I think, most likely will be two sessions. I think from Wednesday onwards we'll be doing it three. So I will be posting the timing, and also do take note of the change in timing because of the daylight saving. So that also I think you have to take note to to do it. Okay. Then if you're interested in discussing any market, you let me know. I can, if not, then we can call it off. Then I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Any questions or any markets you want to discuss? Okay. If you have no, then thank you very much for coming once again. Looking forward to see you again tomorrow with more trades and more